Yo, what's up people? Dino is live from Venice. Yes, this is gonna go on YouTube now with my friend. And of course guys, this is a romance town. Everybody are like, oh, I wanna go to Venice, but you see guys, it's smelling bad. And I don't see any romantic things here. Just the smelly old boats. You know, a lot of grass on the water. A lot of black people which are like selling you some Chinese shit. We got some Chinese girls. Hello, how are you? And we got a Meister from Honda. You know, so we got connections with China. We're gonna import some things, quality things. If you need any, I don't know, JDM things from China. So yes, as you can see, guys, a bridge. You know, so I'm gonna just enjoy in the town today, and I'm gonna make a video, and I'm gonna put a lot of videos so you guys can see what's happening here. Okay? Enjoy people, bye. Hey, what's up people? I want to show you my friend Yana. Mao, Shaom Yan, something like that. What do you like to say the most to people? I'd say that word you like to say. I'd say, what he said. Aj poreka on rekao.
Ne.
Deno reč.
Ne.
Deno za moje prijatelje, no. Tell it for my friends. Deno, please.
Jebika.
Deno.
你们好。
你好的，你好，你好，你好。They can't understand. Welcome back. Dinotti is here. I hope you liked it. This is a real video about Venice. You see, magical place. Not so much. Overcrowded, but what can we do? I hope you liked the video. See you on the Twitch. Bye.